Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code with PostgreSQL. First, install PostgreSQL and the required tools. Install PostgreSQL, pgadmin as an optional UI and node.js. Then verify everything by opening PowerShell and typing psql-version and node-v. Next, create a database by opening the terminal and running create database my app, or you can also use the pgadmin GUI if you prefer a visual interface. Then, generate the backend using Claude AI code. Inside your project folder, run Claude create a Node.js Express API connected to PostgreSQL with CRUD for users, and Claude will generate the server setup, database connection, and API routes. After that, connect to PostgreSQL by installing the driver. In PowerShell, type npm install pg, then ask Claude to connect to PostgreSQL using the pg module with environment variables so your connection stays secure. Now, set up your environment file by adding details like db host localhost, db user postgres, db pass your password, db name my app, and db port 5432. And this allows your app to connect to the database properly. Next, create tables and queries by asking Claude to create a users table with ID, name, and email, and write CRUD SQL queries, and you will get create table, insert, select, update, and delete queries. Finally, run test your app by starting the server with node index.js in PowerShell. Then, test your API using Postman or directly in the browser through API routes, and now your app interacts fully with PostgreSQL. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.